Yeah. Now, y'all saw how I looked on the highway. Now, I'll give y'all a chance to see how I look on the road out here. You know, so on the streets. You know what I'm saying? Look at the streets. Look at all that. Look at all this stuff right here. You know what I'm saying? The streets out here clean. See that? Look at that. Look at that. They ain't clean nothing, man. Look at that. Look at the trees. Look at that. But our tax dollars are. Where's our money going? Because sure in the world I don't see nobody out here cleaning up no snow right now. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at the trees. Poor trees. Look at the power lines. You know what I'm saying? Seriously. You know, so, yeah. Look at the power lines. All that ice on. Look how they're hanging down. Look at that. 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 Oh, power lines. Oh, the power lines. How long are the power lines? Look at the power lines. But yeah, our leaders, man. You know, just do it any kind of stuff. You know what I mean? Look at that. Trees down and stuff. Yep. Sad, man. So sad. But I mean, hey, we enjoy giving away our votes for people, and we elect them to office and put them in office and think that everything is going to be everything for us. And hey, we find out that it's really not everything. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is for some of y'all. Look at that. Look at the trees. Yeah. Tell me about it. People sliding down there and stuff, you know. Look at that. Tell me about it. Hold on. Let me turn it off. I don't want to crash it, right? So, I just want y'all to see what's going on out here, you know. And this big truck get behind me, think he gonna scare me to move fast or something, but hey, I got a problem, brother. I'm not moving any faster than I'm moving. Y'all see that? That's what we're dealing with. That's what we're dealing with out here. All of that. Fix stuff out here. Get it right. These things right. Look at that. What you know?